Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this really simple, really cute makeup tutorial. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'm going to do my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade Ebony. This is not the triangular one, this is the really precise one. And I like my eyebrows to be really bushy and yeah. So I haven't waxed them so they don't look neat, but I like mine thick. And while I got you here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to help the YouTube algorithm so I can know what you guys like to see and I can continue to make more content for you. Now I'm going to conceal and clean up my eyebrows with the Kylie Cosmetics Buttermilk Concealer. Um, and I'm going to blend that out all over my eyelid with a normal concealer brush. And that's going to act as a primer for our eyeshadow. Now I'm just gonna blend it out and soften it up with this brush. I forget what brush this is. It's a Morphe brush. But I blend into the front of my eyebrows as well, so it's not a harsh line where my eyebrows start. It looks more on the natural side. And I just blend everywhere so that it's really smooth looking, no harsh lines, not too bold. Now I'm gonna go in with a few colors from the James Charles X Morphe palette, the eyeshadow palette. It's my favorite palette, I always use it. And I'm using the Sephora Pro Featherweight Crease Brush. I'm going to apply that all over the top of my eyelid. And this is my darkest color. You're gonna go dark to light, out to in, you know. You guys know how this goes. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, so I'm gonna just tell you what I'm using. And then I went in with this hot pink. I'm gonna try and put up pictures of the colors that I'm using specifically, just so that you guys know what I'm actually doing. And so yeah. Now I'm gonna do some color correcting just to cover up a few acne scars that I have. And honestly, I forgot to do my primer until after this. So yeah, prime your face first, moisturize after you do your eyebrows, all that good stuff, and then you can color correct, blend it out, and go from there. Now I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna go in with the Benefits Cosmetics Hydrating Primer. It's the pore diminisher, and you want to just pat this onto your face. You do not want to rub it. That's what the lady at Ulta told me. So just pat it all over your skin, and then you can go in with your foundation. So I'm using my new foundation from NARS. If you saw my previous video, you know that I couldn't do a swatch test. I couldn't test it to see if it matched with my skin, and so the lady tried to help me as best as she could. Um, Honestly, while I was doing this, I was afraid that it was gonna be way too light. But honestly, I think it was the lighting that I was sitting in front of that was making it look very, very light or whatever. Because when I looked in the mirror in regular light, it was perfectly fine. Um, but yeah, I was kind of scared because I'm like, I'm looking kind of light. I don't know. It ain't supposed to look like that. But this is in the shade. I can't say it. Tahoe, Ho, boom. It's medium dark 2, and yeah, I didn't have my beauty blender handy because I didn't feel like cleaning it. So I just went in with a base buffing brush and I spread that all over. Now I'm gonna further contour my face, going in with another Kylie Cosmetics product. It's a bronzer in the shade Tawny Mommy, I believe. It's either that one or Cinnamon. And I'm going to apply that everywhere that I applied the dark concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with her blush in this shade Kitten Baby all over the top of my face. And here is where I realized that I forgot to set my highlight with my concealer. And yeah, so don't forget translucent or loose powder, pressed powder, however you're gonna do it, set it. And then I got an all over brush, a full face brush, and I went in with a Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Tequila Mommy. Yeah, I think it's Tequila Mommy or Tequila Baby, Tequila something. And it's pretty close to my natural skin tone, so I went all over my face with that. And then I went back in with the same Tawny Mommy to, you know, add a little bit more definition to my contour. And then all that's left is, you know, what is this called? Eyeliner. That's what it's called. Oh my god. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. And this is a elf eyeliner, I believe. I used the Elf Cosmetics eyeliner. And I'm just gonna do a regular little liner, nothing special. But afterwards, I'm gonna go in with another elf eyeliner, and it's the regular pencil one. And I'm just gonna put that all on my waterline and under my lid. Now I'm gonna go right under my eye with another pink eyeshadow, and then I just added mascara, but I lost that footage somehow. So here we are with me with lined lips. It's just a regular brown, I think it's the LA Colors lip liner, and I'm just gonna blend that out so that it is, you know, nice and soft, not harsh or anything. And then I'm gonna go over that color, not that color, but that liner with a Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Ulta Beauty. And it's a matte one, so it got pretty dry. So afterwards, I had to put on lip gloss or whatever. And I'm looking at this, and I'm just like, I wish I put on eyelashes, you guys, because I'm looking weird. Like, my face looks fat, and I look really weird. And there's no eyelashes. It's probably why I felt like I messed up my eyeshadow, because where my eyelashes at, you know? The mascara wasn't enough. Then I'm gonna conceal my lips just so that they're nice and clean and blend it all out. And then after that, you'll go in with the Morphe setting spray. I use both of mine, sprayed it all over, and then I'm done. And I highlight it afterwards. And this was the finished product. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.